Normal Kenyam biakamal ka nor online TV channel. Ka jan gwasame banrodan palping kaliang rachame. Banarach correcting to kam. Espelemayo kane espelemaji. Kam kirma yadit kane Dr. Yang Machaten. Correct bukon kaling te titinin tama ana ken ke mixed reaction kia ka roll teacher talk kia rwine teacher talk to be kam espele mayu kene espele maji rewicha ka western equatoria ka yambio bana nan bana jaling ka rwine dialti du kon galing atwoken ka kwirol ka dung kware cha woch Alfred Futuyo Ramila governor ala former governor Alfred Futuyo me cha woje kirma yadit kaka wera mo me woke je chwa je denak de ni kirma yadit ban leran ban jaling kel kan kono ni ami jiram jidit kan war online TV channel gore jan o jindir je nyoga nasin ko kien kadir notification bell bo dir je twany ko shilerti shikan dia kan shikan chukuje notification bell mi twany bi lerti bo kaje gore je de la ler no mo allera ban linga na shit kamen ya tanish lingwaza mo ne itinta kai equatoria no shikarorian dark chikarorian dark bon dangro no chikarorian dark bon dangro tege bon aspele mayo ke bon aspele maji aspele mayo in opposition aspele maji aspele in government aji in government you know men chikul to gwasa me manong obnaren da ka jamo re which ka western equatoria akwiutu meshal ke Alfred Futuyo generam kel ke aspele mayo you know gwade da ne shaje wutin ke shaje de nakten choro da cho bare which a cho cho jen a jene sha ne ti Dr. Yang Machar chela do ne de Futuyo ki Alfred Futuyo governor dung yambio de jalo gwaste me chaje wuch en wo me charar kirma yadit teram shika mat ki teram me meteka ngaitin la kirma yadit che decision ga chaka me kawada ka kirma yadit tele je tet ko dara me morana spele ma aigo de je wuch a reaction e dana ci toke ne amana mo ju Dr. Machar jalar no ba Futuyo ba ilat gwade ano ajan dane ci kan chongtin no ano agwas me mo kon lar no she me she wude shal ke governor la former governor dun western equatoria state Alfred Futuyo me charge wo kwarka ka were dan me charge de nang me che jen te ka rwan ti chillo to ko lon ka jenda te ka wut dodien mishal ke Silvano D. Abiaza jena SPLM chairman dun Mvolo County yeah. Ajane Futuyo ajane kwer Futuyo ajane kwele nang wakten sianga ni civilian ni jek ka yarang wak ka nyok ajane daga na tugdole ajane Futuyo's leadership had been marked by looting, terrorizing civilian, destruction and tribalism ajane to tidial daga tugdole lo shana chaka par ajen goyn manan cha goyngeje Silvano ran SPLM the pinkir mayadit I think this is obvious nede ngwande ka ngaje no en kwor mi ci jen ko jen woje kir mayadit ko shwa chu gurnde na bone ka kwany gaje ne ngai gaje las gaje let la ja pal ka Ramadan tuwi kwam ajen dobe da ne gor kano naka ne kaje kane te ko ne gor naka nak gude shale Futuyo nak de ka nak ko jen ran spere mayo kajen ne gwade da na kwany gaje me be kwar ka yambe jen alo kwadi ne spele ayo chebu kwar ka bang banya ne de pin ajen shi akuli nganta me chaje wojire wiche chujen chawone chawore rob chaw kudini ka A Silvano ran a spell a jana and kwa ran to you come tama. A jani futuyo, a jana she quermugwa. A jana may charge which loin and to want to tear the long. A jana she not take a hope, medit. Ko charge a watch. Ko jana she not take a pair, a nyog kwal quack, a gentle me, telemugam mishi ya mase yi cha gore wuri shal futu yo tem cha gar ka social media che lat cha la do ne a jenegan tele warga misha gor tele certificate dundo kana watch ko let ke dia la da ka gwa tele ne de taga no tele shurma la da nak tin kon la da na ajen mo kana wo ke je kami kwar mishalat ka mishalat re wi ke yam bi wala ya mala wo ke chang pet cha gana ka jinan tam chudo me ne ga jien gar me che chu gor no be gudu me be japal ko ba gore je na me cha ji chi cha ja wuri wuri shal ga futu yo la ran Sudan People Liberation Movement in opposition la spele mayo chala do jen a violation ke a yermun te ko ne cha tan karon kin dang re wol badak peace agreement ne cha tan cha ja yar ken ci ker ma ya di yar ka ja yar bo ne de konte ken u ken futu yo ken na ko cha ja ka war mo na me wide cha spele mayo ke li chiro din je ko ken kan ka jok wo ke jama ken kan ya ngach anyo ku na dor waje kef ka kan ngach lo na ka ja na me chilo ne tan wante je ka ja ramkel mala commissioner Nizara ajani de ne dial ci ga rowoch ajan nana jana commission Nizara jan ajana cha SPLM mayo members kan dial cha ka yen rewoch ka yambio cha ka torture ka cha office ni ken cha ka gak na me to ko kor gwade dan cha futu cha de woch ci kirma yadit wa cha order che to bono kan ni kon la SPLM mayo rewoch ni mi ba ka dil kap me ci futu yo me ci jien chuna wuko ba SPLM mayo tin kontin la official ken ba ga yikabre wujin winami wa cha tangen cha ga doch ka cha office ni ken de ken galab rai wuj ka warap sorry rai wuj ka yambio chwa ka dak chwa ka gagan dial Nizara County Commissioner Lino Kwago Futaki jen ramkel ka SPLM mayo official jen ran SPLM mayo jen la commissioner rai duar ga shwal ke Zara County na ajara mudanen ladan go cha ne ken dial cha ka ke ko cha ka do ajane woje da ne sha wuj futu yo la governor in kirandien ajane che tagarek ci security je jere which alu che ne tel long ki ne tel gwadre which ka yambio ko shank ne jegalo no che wena men tama che deng mi dite je nong re which titiye kere kon lat karodien gwat me beje kwen ye ka to ke ngalish Residents and officials in Western Equatorial State have expressed mixed reaction to the removal of former Governor Alfred Futuyo, with some hailing it as a step toward progress, while others voiced fears about the future. Members of the Sudan People Liberation Movement, SPLM, under Kir Mayadit, have welcomed the decision, describing it as a chance to revive development in the state. Silvano de Abiaza, SPLM chairman for Mbolo County, told that Futuyo leadership had been marked by looting, terrorizing civilian destruction, and tribalism. Futuyo was not the right leader. His removal has given the people hope. Abiaza said that. He also criticized the allocation of Western Equatorial State to the Sudan People Liberation Movement in opposition, or SPLM-IO, under the 2018 peace agreement, arguing that local voices were not adequately consulted. We need to respect the voice of our people. They have suffered a lot, he added. However, the move has sparked concern among SPLMIO members, who say they were not consulted and now feel vulnerable. Mary John Osman, an official in the Western Equatorial State Secretariat, claimed that the transition had left them in a precarious position. Our commissioner in Zara had all his soldiers withdrawn. Some SPLM members were arrested, tortured, and even had their office shut down, she said. Zara County Commissioner Lino Kwago Futaki, an SPLM official, echoed the concern, describing the situation as an alarming. The removal of our governor has caused panic among us. My security detail was taken away, and we need the government to restore hope and ensure fairness in the leadership, he said. Meanwhile, Margaret Fozia Emmanuel, Commissioner of Mundari East County, acknowledged the mixed reaction but praised President Salva Kiir for the decision. She said Mundari East had been neglected under Futuya administration with no police presence, development, or attention from the state government. Mundari is one of the most important counties in Western Equatoria, yet it was ignored. I urge the national government to ensure real change, she emphasized. The removal of Futuya has highlighted deep division in Western Equatorial State, with some viewing it as an opportunity for progress and others fearing further instability. On February 10, President Salva Kiir issued a series of decrees unilaterally removing several senior government officials, including Alfred Futuya, the governor of Western Equatorial State. Futuya is a member of the opposition, Sudan People Liberation Movement in opposition, led by Vice President Dr. Riek Machar. Shortly after his removal, Futuya fled Yambio, the capital of Western Equatorial State, following an exchange of gunfire near his residence. The incident reportedly involved elements allegedly linked to the Sudan People Defense Force, or SSPDF. South Sudan has been formally at peace since a 2018 agreement ended a 5-year civil war that claimed hundreds of thousands of lives. However, political tensions remain high between the parties as the nation prepares for its first post-independence election, scheduled for December 2026.